Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Park the vehicle on level ground, turn off the engine, set the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery cable before starting. Wear gloves and eye protection to keep oils and debris off the new bulb and protect your hands from sharp edges. Open the hood, locate the headlight assembly, and consult the owner's manual or engine bay sticker for the correct bulb type. Many 2008 Toyota Highlander low beams use a 9006 style bulb, though you should confirm. Remove the plastic dust cover from the rear of the headlight by turning it counterclockwise or releasing its clips, exposing the bulb socket and wiring. Depress the electrical connector tab and pull the connector straight off the bulb socket. Avoid tugging on wires. Grasp the bulb socket, twist it counterclockwise roughly 1/4 turn, and pull the bulb straight out. If space is tight, remove adjacent components like the air intake or battery clamp, following the service manual to gain access. Put on gloves and inspect the new bulb. Never touch the glass with bare fingers because oils shorten bulb life. Insert the bulb straight into the socket, align the tabs, and twist the socket clockwise until it seats securely. Then reconnect the electrical connector until it clicks. Test the headlight by reconnecting the negative battery cable and switching the lights on. With confirmation, reinstall the dust cover, replace any removed components, and tighten clamps or screws to factory snugness before lowering the hood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.